How's it going, guys? Chris here with ACN, and I'm at Hersheypark for the first time in 15 years. That's right, 2008 was the last time that I was here. So there's a lot of new rides to get on. I already got on Wildcat's Revenge, which is really awesome. That video's already been posted. Gonna go on Laugh Track now. Let's go check it out. Oh wow, this is like a really cool indoor queue area. I love it. All right. Oh wow, that makes me look really weird.
Oh, I look even fatter.
Oh no. All right, that's not a good one. Maybe this one's better over here. Oh. Wow, I look short and like buff. How about that?
Oh yeah.
Just look at those sexy legs. Coming into a really nicely themed station here. I had no idea that it was going to be this cool. This looks like it's going to be a fun one. Okay, that was really cool. I haven't been on a lot of indoor wild mouses, and the theming in there was really fun. The music, everything. Really cool addition to this park. And like I was saying, I like all the theming in the queue. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it's time to ride Airtime Thrill's favorite coaster. Let's see if it's as painful as he says it is. Oh my God, that was absolute trash. Like, the layout is great. There's great airtime. You just can't feel it other than pain. Yeah, this is, I probably, well, easily it's worse than Maverick. Okay, time to get on the other hyper here. I have a feeling that this is gonna be a lot better. So Candemonium was pretty tame, much tamer than Skyrush, but it was much more enjoyable because I wasn't in pain and I was able to get some good airtime. So I was out of my seat, and there you go. So the winner, Candemonium. And well, because we came in through the employee entrance for the media day, we didn't get to see the new entrance. Well, at least new for us. Again, 15 years ago. We were here. I kind of have to say I miss how cute the old one was. This is nice. I'm honestly a fan of the older entrance more. It was a little more charming. This is way more corporate, but I guess it's needed. Anyway, here's this. This is a rather incredible front entrance here with Candemonium as the centerpiece, along with the Hershey Kisses fountain. And then over here, you have Skyrush, which you know how I feel about that, and the merry-go-round. So it's a very nice entrance overall. My only complaint, and this is throughout the entire park, is that it's just asphalt everywhere, which doesn't look very nice, and it's kind of hot and kind of smells a little bit, you know, just like asphalt would. That's my only criticism of this park. I wish they would theme the pathways as well, but really beautiful day here at Hersheypark. This is really nice though. Kind of feels like I don't know, like a little bit like a main street. Really nice entrance to a park. Other than the asphalt, I really like it. There goes Skyrush again. Ouch. Ah, he's so good with new restraints. Oh, there's like a really nice pathway down here by Skyrush. We got some shade over here, which was much appreciated. And yeah, you can sit here and relax and watch people suffer if you're into that kind of thing. Okay, I tried to give Skyrush a second chance. I rode in the second row, and it's absolute f***ing garbage. Garbage. I hate it. I've never hated a coaster this much. It's just nothing but pain, and I'm gonna go ride something better right now.
Put your hands back in the thing. Thanks.
All right, just got a super duper looper, and is it better than Revolution at Magic Mountain? No. Is it better than Skyrush? Yes. Speaking of Revolution, the loop here, I know it's the same manufacturer. Yeah, it just looks like they took Revolution's loop and they sunk it. But I love it. It's such a cool looking element.
What I said was a whole bunch of.
Okay, here's another new credit. I have no shame. Yeah, I'll do anything for a credit. And we got 3 laps on it, so that was pretty fun. Now off to find something else, not Skyrush. Okay, time for one more credit. This was here when we visited it in 2008, but we didn't have time to go on it, and it's just a boomerang, and we've been on a lot of those, but they've rethemed it since. It's a Jolly Rancher remix, so it looks kind of cool, and we're credit whores, so let's go ride. This is some really cool theming in here. I've never seen a boomerang themed so heavily. I just hope I don't break my teeth. Wow. That's intense. Well, that was okay, but it's still a boomerang, and the vest restraints are a little uncomfortable. Well, Storm Runner is basically walk-on. This is awesome. Wow, that was really good. I couldn't really remember much from 15 years ago. I liked it a lot. Probably my second favorite here at the park so far. Whoa! Is anyone dry? Oh, look at that. There's like nobody on the trains. I think I'm gonna go for a ride and make it our last ride or rides of the day. I love this queue. The whole thing feels very classic. What is this, seatbelts? Do people not know how to operate a seatbelt? That's weird.
Well, I asked for clarification at that point. Over here, please. Over here. Yes, thank you very much. Did I hear you correctly? Did you say place the small metal flap into the buckle, or place the buckle over and around the small metal flap?
Yeah, nobody here. Dad, love it. Okay, that's gonna do it from Hersheypark. We had a lot of fun here, starting off with the media day for Wildcats Revenge. And then getting on 6 coasters that we haven't been on. Oh, hey, cool, let's go. And behind me here, good timing. Yeah, finishing off with Lightning Racer. We did 2 rides on that. I rode on one side, and my friend rode on the other, and that was really fun. Anyway, we hope to be back here, and in a lot sooner than 15 years. Anyway, until next time, bye. See ya.